In Him we live and move and have our being. Acts 17:28. Life is activity, and when we stop being active, we turn away from the newness of life. And the person who grows old in years without an inward expectation and assurance that he is going to live forever somewhere will find the last part of his life burdened with the thoughts of yesterday. Let us make up our minds that yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not yet arrived, but today can be filled with wonder if we know that we stand on the threshold of that which is wonderful and new. I have never yet met a single individual who maintained this attitude in the last part of his life unless he had faith. And I am talking about the kind of faith we all understand the meaning of. Faith in something bigger than ourselves, in a power greater than ourselves, and a complete assurance that we are going to live forever somewhere. It is an interesting fact that whether we know it and whether or not we like it, our lives are so tied in with God, the living Spirit, that we cannot remain young and enthusiastic unless we know that we are one with that which knows no age and no burdens.